Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best hiking gear essentials that you can buy today. Heading off to conquer a long-distance trail this summer and wondering what hiking essentials to take with you? Our expert guide includes a list of hiking gear and accessories that should make it into your pack. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing hiking gear essentials. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there's an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best hiking gear essentials, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Hiking First Aid Kit. Hiking can result in unexpected injuries, and you should be prepared to handle common injuries. I recommend the Adventure Medical Kit since it's made specifically for hiking-related injuries. A small first aid kit can be a lifesaver. I've had to use mine many times. If you're in a larger group, have multiple people carry first aid kits. If you're hiking with a dog, bring a hiking first aid kit for your pup too. As you gain more trail experience, you'll be able to add or subtract from your first aid kit depending on your individual needs. And always make sure to replace anything you use as soon as you return home from your trek. In at number 4 is the fire starter. One of the most important of the 5 essentials is a way to start fire if you had to spend the night in the wilderness. I recommend carrying storm-proof matches and a fire starter. Both these items are lightweight, inexpensive, and don't take up much space in your hiking day pack. Perfect for something you hope to never use. Knowing how to build a fire in nasty weather can be a life-saving backcountry skill. The third product on our list is the nutrition. When preparing for a hike, you'll want to make sure to bring along enough calories to sustain your energy for a long day of activity. There's nothing worse than a hungry hiker, so pack plenty of snacks to keep you going throughout your hike. You should also pack extra food, just in case you get lost or stranded overnight. I prefer calorie-dense foods like Cliff Bars. If you're headed out on a long hike, we recommend bringing some extra calorically dense food, just in case your trip takes longer than expected. And don't forget to bring a trash bag to pack out all trash, an essential part of the Leave No Trace principles. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the navigation. A topo map and trusty compass are 2 navigation components that should accompany you on any trip into the backcountry. They're reliable, lightweight, durable, and guaranteed to never run out of batteries. They can keep you from getting lost or help you find your way again, but they won't do any good if you don't know how to use them. So brush up on how to use a map and compass, and how to keep from getting lost before heading out on your next trip. We also recommend keeping your maps in a clear, waterproof map sack to keep them dry and protected. Even with a keen sense of direction, you should carry some sort of navigation on your hike. For more advanced hikers, consider investing in a Garmin InReach device. This GPS device helps you navigate and communicate in the wilderness, but it doesn't come cheap. For a more budget solution on shorter hikes, pack an inexpensive compass and a whistle. The best hiking gear essential is water. Without a doubt, the most crucial item on this hiking essentials list is water. This is particularly true for strenuous hikes or hot, arid environments. It's absolutely essential to stay well hydrated on the trail to keep your body's critical systems running properly. Water helps cool you down when you're hot, warm you up when you're cold, and will keep your muscles and joints working properly to avoid injury while you hike. Make sure to bring enough water for the duration of your hike, or bring a lightweight water filter, and know where water sources will be located along your route. For a 24-hour water supply, 1 gallon is recommended per person. Avoid dense, stainless steel water bottles on hikes as they add extra unnecessary weight. For longer hikes, I recommend using a 3-liter hydration reservoir, also called a bladder. These are lightweight, hold plenty of water for your day hikes, and fit within a hiking day pack. Also, it's important to remember that while water is critically important, it's also one of the heaviest things you'll carry on the trail. So carrying a bunch of extra water should be avoided as well. I also recommend packing a small water filtration device for emergencies. If you were to get stranded, having a way to filter water from a stream could save your life. I recommend the LifeStraw for this, since it's lightweight and compact. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.